¿Quién no corre la que hay, ay, ay? ¿Quién no anda corre la que hay, ay, ay?
Anasema nini?
Hey my good people, hope you're doing well. Masinchinyari over here. I'm starting this vlog. It's on Friday. I got off work and I want to do like a weekend, rainy weekend, slow life in Nairobi. And you know, I run El Nyari Furniture, so I rushed over there. And where it rained from the moment I got from the house to me going to work. And then it has been raining throughout the day. Me, I just got home, took a shower, applied a lot of oil to make myself feel warm, and I'm like, well, I have to talk to you because I am always tired. So the thing with me, when I get rained on, which is happening a lot, I get like a lot of migraine, like severe migraines. So that is what is happening right now. But I'm going to sleep because it's just at night, still raining, and I love sleeping while it's raining. It's just that I can't sleep, I need to work. If I was given a choice, ningekuwa nalala until these crazy floods are over. Please keep safe because people are being swept away. People are dying around East Africa, Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda, even Burundi. Like, it's crazy. Please, God protect you, but also keep safe. So tomorrow I'm expecting my desk. I want a workstation. I gave my previous workstation like a year ago to my brother, and it's the time that I got serious and got back to getting into online because now my business is off. Like, at least I can manage both of them clearly. So I need a simple workstation, and you will see that tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Kwani hata mjanifungia? Ninaenda kwa bedroom yangu. Hey, so yesterday was such a crazy day. I went to work. Before that, I went really late. I waited for the delivery to come over because I needed like to get the desk and the chair, just something simple going on so that I can embark on my other activities that required at least a little working corner. So the rain was crazy in this Nairobi. As you have seen, we have floods, and it's being said that we have flash rains, so it's flooding all over the place. So the desk took such a long time to arrive at my place, but finally it came. What do you guys think? I set it up, and it was on Saturday. So I went to work. I had some chairs that were seats that needs now to be delivered today. We didn't even have electricity. We were working under very tough situations where we don't have light. I waited inspecting the seat, and it was like 6:30, and the rain started eating, and I was looking for Uber from the workshop, the area where I rent, because I rent a bigger space when I have such a project that needs like space. It's at 45, and it read, I was just looking for Ubers to my house. It was 2,500, and they were like 15 minutes away. I think everyone is keeping off the rain because there have been some casualties. People are dying right, left, and center. May their souls rest in peace. I hope everyone is keeping safe. If you're in Nairobi, if you're in Kenya, generally just keep safe, you guys. You can never know. So I came back late. I arrived. I managed to catch a Uber at Imagine. I was not getting any transport to my house. I managed to get a Uber. I arrived around almost 1:30 at home. I was tired. I was extremely tired. My back was aching because of the cold, and yeah, I slept. Right now I woke up, and it's just having showers. Like, it's just raining. I will be spending time at home. I will later on go to deliver the seat because they usually, the owner of the seat lives around my place. Yeah, that is what is popping. If anything interesting occurs today, I will keep you posted, guys. Kapitaka. Better. Hey, so we delivered the seat, and the seat was so amazing, so beautiful. Like, now this kind of project, this kind of work is what I live for. Like, the seat was beautiful. I couldn't believe it. It's the work of my own. And so I have discovered over time, you know, that seat, that design is not something like I've seen. I came up with it, and I've tailored it over time because I've worked on 5 seats, different seats that design for different clients. And yeah, I feel so amazing, cause now it's like even I'm mastering the art of designing couches and even table, even my table, my small table. I'm the one who decided. It's not like I took a little inspo here and there, but I tailored it to suit my needs. So right now I am even evolving my business into basically custom making, like, of couches, like authentic couches. It's such an amazing time that I'm having. I'm not saying there is no ups and downs on this business. I have had such a turbulence, I can say, and blocks, but when I feel like no, I'm so done with this, it's maybe not meant for me, I get a reason to keep pushing. Money is there to be made, but actually the thing that gives me joy mostly is not even the cash that I get out of this business. It's me. When I work on a project, I have what I want in mind, and it comes out exactly how I envision it. I feel so satisfied. Like, I'm not a typical fundi, no, I'm not a typical carpenter. I'm doing this because I really do love doing it, and I can see it growing, because now I'm learning even and growing my own tastes and influencing people to have it. Yeah, so yeah, I feel so blessed today. I am just to come here and tell you, because you guys have seen me start this business, and for sure the people that have supported me, they are my YouTube and online communities, what has made this business a success. Don't underestimate your numbers, like the power of your small numbers. Like, imagine right now I have like 19.1. Those are people, almost 2,000 people following my small cute life over here. So don't underestimate the numbers, but you have to be consistent, and over time consistency always win. Yeah, you don't have to be so good at it, but consistency will just give it video. And yeah, my heart is full tonight, but it's so cold. That's why you are seeing me wearing these AV jumpers, hoods, the actual hood. Even my baby is wearing hood, because I live in a very cold area. If you can see, napenda mandhari ya hii area, because I really love the feeling of being away from chaotic, polluted city center. That's why I moved even to this point, to this area where I live, even though it's far from work. And yeah, it's very beautiful, but the rains and the cold is something that can really mess up with you. So I hope everyone is keeping really warm right now, wherever you are. And yeah, I will continue keeping warm. It's just by some grace that my chest hasn't started reacting to the rains, but we thank God. So until the next one, this is the end of this chaotic and very rainy weekend in Nairobi. Yeah, so check me on the next episode of Slow Living in Nairobi.